What if I told you that time travel is not science fiction anymore, and that humans have already traveled through time without realizing it? What if the future is scientifically reachable, but the past may be forbidden by the universe itself? And what if the biggest danger of time travel isn't paradoxes, machines, or changing history, but a hidden problem so severe that it could erase you instantly? By the end of this video, you'll understand why time travel could be real and why humanity might never be allowed to use it. Most people imagine time as a straight line, past, present, future. But physics tells a very different story. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is flexible. It stretches, slows down, and behaves differently depending on speed and gravity. This means time is not universal. Two people can experience time at different rates, and we've already proven this in real experiments. Atomic clocks placed on fast-moving airplanes tick slightly slower than clocks on the ground. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station age microseconds less than people on Earth. This may sound insignificant, but it proves something extraordinary. Time travel is already happening. Traveling to the future is not hypothetical, it's allowed by physics. If a human could travel close to the speed of light, time would slow dramatically for them. A journey lasting a few years for the traveler could mean hundreds or thousands of years pass on Earth. This is known as relativistic time dilation. In theory, a spacecraft capable of extreme speed could send a human into the distant future without violating any physical laws. The future, scientifically speaking, is open. The real question isn't if it's possible, but whether humanity could survive the consequences. Traveling to the past is fundamentally different. Physics allows equations that describe backward time travel, but they create serious contradictions. The most famous is the grandfather paradox, changing the past in a way that prevents your own existence. But here's what most people don't know. Even observing the past could change it. At the quantum level, particles behave differently when observed. This means entering the past wouldn't be passive. Your presence alone could alter microscopic events that eventually scale into massive historical changes. The past may not just be fragile, it may be untouchable. Here's one of the most overlooked issues in time travel discussions. The Earth is not stationary. It spins, orbits the sun, and moves through the Milky Way at incredible speed. If you traveled back in time without calculating Earth's exact position in space, you wouldn't arrive in the past version of Earth. You would arrive in empty space. True time travel would require navigating 4 dimensions simultaneously, 3 of space and 1 of time with absolute precision. One tiny error and the journey ends instantly. Let's assume humans solve every technical challenge. Time travel becomes possible. Society wouldn't become curious, it would become unstable. Governments would fight to control timelines. Financial markets would collapse due to future knowledge. Education would lose meaning if answers already exist. Even knowing future events without changing them would destroy uncertainty, the foundation of human decision-making. Time travel wouldn't just change history, it would rewrite how civilization functions. Some physicists believe the universe actively prevents backward time travel. This idea is called the chronology protection conjecture. In simple terms, reality may destroy any structure that allows time loops, preserving causality. Black holes, quantum instability, and infinite energy requirements may not be flaws, they may be safeguards. The universe itself may be enforcing a rule. The past must remain intact. Time travel isn't about machines. It's about whether reality can be manipulated across time. The future may be reachable. The past may be locked away. And the greatest obstacle to time travel may not be technology, but the consequences it creates for existence itself. If time travel ever becomes possible, the real question won't be where we go. It will be whether we should go at all. So, now that you know this, think about it carefully. Time travel isn't just a fantasy, it's a concept that already exists inside modern physics, filled with limits most people never hear about. The future may be reachable, the past may be forbidden, and the universe itself might be protecting reality from our curiosity. If this idea made you see time differently, leave a like. It helps this kind of content reach more curious minds. And tell me in the comments, do you think humanity should ever be allowed to travel through time? Subscribe to Mystivox 404 if you enjoy exploring questions that challenge how reality works, because the next What If will make you rethink something you've always taken for granted.